Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Your question is, using matrices solve the system of equations, and your equations are 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equals to 60, x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 45, and 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 70. Now, to solve this system of equations using matrix method, we are going to first rewrite our equations in matrix form. So the coefficient matrix will become 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3 multiplied by the variable matrix, and the variable matrix is x, y, z. And the constant matrix will become 60, 45 and 70. Now, this equation is matrix equation, and it can be written as AX is equals to B. This is A matrix, this is X matrix, and this is B matrix. Now, to solve this equation, we have to first pre-multiply by A inverse both sides. But before pre-multiplying by A inverse, we have to confirm whether A inverse exists or not. So, consider determinant A. Consider determinant A. And this is a matrix. इसका अगर आप determinant निकालेंगे along, you can expand your determinant along first row. Then 4 is going to be multiplied by 2, 3, 2, 3. Then minus 3 is going to be multiplied by 1, 3, 6, 3. Plus 2 is going to be multiplied by 1, 2, 6, 2. And this is equals to 6 minus 6, 3 minus 18 plus 2 into 2 minus 12, and that is 0 minus 3 into minus 15, then 2 into minus 10. So this is 45 minus 20, that is 25. And which is non-zero? Since determinant A is non-zero, that implies that A inverse exists. और A inverse exist कर रहा है, तो we have to first find out the inverse. To find A inverse, we have to first take adjoint of A. And for adjoint of A, we are going to replace each and every element of A with their cofactors. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and then finally we are going to take the transpose. Now what is the cofactor of A11? A11 का cofactor आपका 6 minus 6 0 आएगा. A12 का cofactor 1 2 is 3 minus 18, that is minus 15. Since the position is odd, so you are going to multiply it by minus sign. Now the cofactor of A13 is 2 minus 12, that is minus 10. The cofactor of A21 is 9 minus 4, that is 5. Since the position is odd, so since these four positions are odd positions, तो आप इनके साथ negative sign multiply करेंगे. Now the cofactors of A22 is 12 minus 12, that is 0. The cofactor of A23 is 8 minus 18, that is minus 10. Since the position is odd, we are going to multiply by minus sign. Now the A31, cofactor of A31 is 9 minus 4, that is 5. The cofactor of A32 is 12 minus 2, that is 10. Since the position is odd, we are going to multiply it by minus. Now the cofactor of A33 is 8 minus 3, that is 5. and finally we are going to take the transpose of this, and that is equals to 0 15 minus 10 minus 5 0 10 5 minus 10 5. This is the adjoint A. So A inverse will become 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A, that is determinant A is 1 upon 25 and adjoint of A is 0 minus 5 5 15 0 minus 10, then minus 10 10 5. Okay, now we have already finded out the A inverse. Now using 1 we can rewrite our equation as x is equals to A inverse of B. So x will come out A inverse into B, and your B matrix is 60 45 and 70, and this is equals to 1 upon 25 0 minus 135 plus 350. A 21 is 15 into 60 900 plus 0 minus 700. Then A31 is third row or first column को you are going to multiply minus 600 plus 450 plus 350, and that is equals to 1 upon 25, and this is 350 minus 135 will become this is 145. And 350 minus 225 is 125. Then 900 minus 700 is 200, and this will give you 800. 800 minus 600 is again 200, and finally your X matrix will be equals to, आप इन तीनों को 25 से डिवाइड करेंगे, देन इट विल गिव यू 5 8 and 8, and your solution is x is equals to 5, y is equals to 8 and z is equals to 8.